Good morning dear students. Today in accountancy class we learn rest of the banking transaction. So let's start with transaction number 6, that is when a customer directly deposits the amount in our bank account. In this you see receiver of the amount is bank, so bank account will be debited, and giver of that amount is customer, so customer's amount will be credited. Next is when a check previously deposited into the bank is dishonored. Dishonoring of check means cancellation of check. It may be due to any reason. So in that case, once again, this check will be we will return this check to the customer, and who will receive this check? Customer. So customer's account will be debited, and who is giver of this check? Bank. So bank account will be credited. Now next is when payment is made by issue of any check. So when we will make payment to any particular creditor by check, in that case receiver of the amount is that particular creditor, means XYZ. So XYZ's account will be debited, and giver of the check is bank, so bank account will be credited. Same way when expenses are paid by the issue of check, for expenses all expenses will be debited, so expenses will be debited and giver of that amount is bank, so bank will be credited because credit the giver. Come to next point, that is when interest is charged by the bank. So once again interest is one of the expense, so all expenses will be debited, that is why interest account will be debited, and giver of this amount is again our bank account, so bank will be credited. Next is when interest is allowed by the bank. In that case we will receive interest and amount will be credited in our bank account. So who will receive this amount? Our bank, so bank account will be debited, and this interest is our income and all incomes must be credited, that is why interest account will be credited. Next is when a check is received from a customer and discount is allowed to him, and if the check is deposited into the bank on same day. So once again we are depositing this check into the bank, so who is receiver of this check? Obviously bank, so debit the receiver, so bank account will be debited, and this discount allowed is our expense and all expenses must be debited, that is why discount allowed will be debited, and we are receiving this check from customer, so who is giver of this check? Obviously customer, so customer's account will be credited. Now next point, if above check is dishonored, so in that case again you can see we will return this check to customer, so who will receive this check? Obviously customer, so customer's account will be debited, and who will give this check? Obviously bank, so bank account will be credited, and this time whatever discount we have allowed at the time of receiving this amount, we will cancel that discount, so that is why here in credit side we have written to discount allowed. So like this we will pass all banking transactions. Okay, thank you.